reinstalling the software on your navigation device using TomTom HOME. If your navigation device does not start, reboots continuously, or displays a cross after you switch it on, you need to reinstall the software on the device. Start by resetting your device. To see instructions on how to do a reset, click the link in the top right corner now. When the reset is complete, switch off your navigation device. Connect your navigation device directly to your computer with a USB cable and switch it on. If it asks if you want to connect to your computer, select Yes. Start TomTom HOME and click Manage My Device. Select the Items on Device tab. Click Applications, tick the TomTom application, then click Remove Items from Device. Click OK to confirm, and then click Done. Now select the Remove Items from Computer tab. Click the plus sign for Applications and select the TomTom application if it is shown. Then click Remove Items from Computer and then click OK, then click Done. Now click Update My Device in the main menu. Select the TomTom application update that's offered and click Update and Install. When the update is finished, click Done. Your navigation device will restart automatically. When asked if you want to connect to your computer, select No and disconnect it from your computer. If your navigation device does not restart automatically, click the Eject button in the bottom right of TomTom HOME and then disconnect it from your computer. Reset your device again as we did earlier in the video. Once the reset is complete, reconnect your device to your computer and click Update My Device again. If another TomTom application update is offered, update and install again and repeat these steps until no further application is offered as an update.